I'm not going to do that whole thing that you did, shall I do?
Yeah.
Hang on, let me put my crotch on, it's a bit baggy. And now it's going to
Open that.
That's a horrible thing. Get off me, I don't like it. She realised someone filming, she's fucking doing the room. Go away. Who put the mom on this toe?
Some fucking
Jesus Christ.
There's something pretty sexual happening here, and I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to ruin the moment. You're ruining the moment. You're the one ruining the moment. And
Get off me.
come on, Maisie. Just feel the ass. Feel the ass. Hey, lobster. Hey, lobster. It's okay. It's okay. Well, who can do a Xavier? Someone's got to do it. You do? No. Just do that. No, behind. You've got to turn.
Oh, she's got a good behind. Come on, Michaela. Work it, Kayla. No, I don't think. Kayla, I don't think hers is as good as yours. Come on, let's have a look. What is that? That's Beyonce. That's Beyonce. What? Working on that shit. Oh, I'm on the ignition key. That was what that excited sound was. Wasn't a lady erection. Come on, Maisie. Maisie, get your bottom and wiggle it up and down.
Feels like work.
Work.
Come on, you big fucking hippie. You still know how to be a slag, you big hippie. Your belt makes you look like it's like a bum crack. That looks like a John Hutton bum crack because it's pale and it has a dark line in the middle. Right.
I'm going to have no memory for Reading now.
This is a 3-minute 15 video that I don't think you're going to show your family.